Hey everyone, welcome to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. I'm so glad that you're here. Like many of you, I was born in Korea, but my family and I moved to the United States where I learned English. In the beginning, it was really hard, but speaking fluent English has opened doors for me. I was able to get a job in investment banking where I worked worldwide for over 35 years. Along the way, I made many good friends from all around the world, and speaking fluent English also helped me make more money. After all these years, I've learned that speaking fluent English is key to unlocking opportunities. I want to help you master English, make friends from all around the world, and more importantly, open those same doors to success. So why English with Bruce? We'll start this journey together, which will be practical and fun. We'll start small. First, I'll teach you different phrases which you can use immediately to start speaking with native speakers. No stress, just honest conversations. Then, we'll discuss business terminology. Whether you're networking with colleagues or negotiating with clients or chit-chatting with the CEOs, I'll make you sound natural and confident, like you've been doing it for years. Once you master that, we'll go even deeper. I'll teach you how to ace interviews, hold effective face-to-face meetings, and crush Zoom calls, essential skills today. Here's what you'll gain. Fluent communication. I want you to feel confident speaking English with anyone, from casual conversation to professional settings. Practical skills. Learn real-world business English, how to conduct meetings and interviews, and handle situations that matter in today's global environment. Global perspective. Gain insights into language, business, culture, and current events, helping you become a well-rounded, knowledgeable global citizen. Fun and growth. Enjoy the process of learning English while growing personally and professionally with a mix of fun topics and life lessons. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you're as excited as I am to start this journey together. I'll be posting new videos every Sunday at 9 a.m. Korea time, so mark your calendar. I'll also be posting on Instagram. I spent years preparing for this, and I look forward to helping you achieve your English speaking goals. See you next time. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.